Unlock a powerful, yet often overlooked backlink source for your blog using the popular content platform, Medium.com. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to leverage Medium to build valuable backlinks that boost your blog's SEO and drive real traffic. Step 1. Create exceptional content. This is the foundation of everything. Think of your Medium articles not just as standalone pieces, but as attractive landing pages for your own expertise. Write high-quality, in-depth articles that offer genuine value to the reader. Step 2. Strategic linking within your Medium articles. There are 2 key places to link back to your blog. First, naturally weave in contextual links if you've mentioned a concept or provided more detail on your blog. Link to it second. And critically, use a strong call to action at the end of your article, something like, "For a more in-depth guide, check out my full post on your blog name here." Step 3. Optimize your Medium profile. Your profile is a permanent home for your links. Make sure your bio is compelling and includes a clear link to your blog website. This is an evergreen backlink that will always be there. Step 4. Engage with the Medium community. Don't just publish and walk away. Read and comment on other publications and articles within your niche. Genuine engagement can expose your work to a new audience, and if you've linked strategically, can lead to discovery and valuable referral traffic. By consistently publishing valuable content and engaging authentically on Medium, you're not just sharing your knowledge, you're actively building your blog's authority and driving targeted traffic through high-quality, follow backlinks. Start harnessing Medium's power today.